Ready, start. This bail application coming on for orders upon perusing the petition and hearing the arguments of SRI CIBI Thomas, advocate for the petitioner, and the public prosecutor for the respondent. The court passed the following. Our nation is facing an unprecedented pandemic in the form of COVID 19. It has affected all the persons and all the spheres of human life by having its impact upon social, cultural, and financial status of the general public. It is playing havoc throughout the country by causing serious health hazard to the public at large, and the entire machinery of the state is fighting to curtail the same. By keeping the above aspects in mind, a learned single judge of this court, while passing an interim order in an application for pre-arrest bail under section 438 of the Code of the Criminal Procedure 1973 in bracket order dated 7/5/2021 in BA number 3368 oblique 2021 made the following observation. Para. It is true that the allegation against the petitioner is very serious. This is a case which is to be heard in detail on merit after perusing records. The second wave of the COVID-19 is spreading in country and the citizens are facing serious difficulties. In the state of Kerala, the second wave of pandemic is creating lot of problems and even day-to-day life of citizens are affected. Every day, about 25,000 people are tested positive with COVID 19. Life is more important than anything. In such circumstances, this court has to consider this fact also while considering the bail application. Para. A state government issued GO number 1311 oblique 2021 oblique home dated 5/5/2021 for information purpose only, directing the authorities concerned to grant parole to eligible inmates of the prisons in the state subject to the compliance of Rule 397 in bracket L of the Kerala Prisons and Correctional Services in bracket Management Rules 2014. It is evident that the said order is issued with a view to congest the prisons and thereby to enable the authorities concerned to maintain physical distancing in prisons. The Honorable Supreme Court also wide order dated 5/7/2021 in suo motu writ petition number 1 oblique 2020 issued various direction for minimizing the strength of inmates in prisons. I am of the view that keeping the spirit and object of the aforesaid orders are absolutely necessary while considering this bail application. Therefore, even though the allegations involved in this case are grievous in nature, in the present scenario, an interim bail for a limited period is an utmost necessity for the larger interest of the society. Para. In the above circumstances, an interim order for anticipatory bail is granted for a limited period. Accordingly, it is ordered that in the event of arrest, the petitioners shall be released on bail on executing a bond for rupees 50,000 with two solvent sureties each for like sum to the satisfaction of the officer concerned. The officer shall also be at liberty to insist for the appearance of petitioner before him by BA number 2726 2021.